Rebecca had 1,040 stickers in her collection. She gave 41 stickers to Anna. She divided the remaining stickers among her 3 sisters. Which strip diagram could Rebecca use to find n, the number of stickers she gave each sister? Well, let's draw what's happening in this problem. Rebecca starts off with 1,040 stickers. Is she receiving any more stickers? Should we be combining any numbers to this 1,040? No. This is our total number of stickers. We do not receive more. So, which of these can we get rid of? We can get rid of A and D. Oh, not D, C. Which shows that we will get additional stickers. So our answer choices now are B and D. Next, Anna gives 41 stickers to Anna. How many times does she give stickers to Anna? Once. Then she divides the rest of the stickers. So we have the rest of the stickers here. She divides them equally. That means we will have 3 boxes that all have the same number, which we are told will show the variable n. Now we could have said, hey, this means that it's not D because we are not giving away 41 more than once. Or we could have completed our thinking and found that yes, indeed, B is the correct answer.